إنما سمي القلب قلبا لأنه يتقلب. Indeed, the heart was called a heart, in Arabic a qalb, لأنه يتقلب, because it fluctuates. This is an organ upon which the soundness of the body or the corruption of the body relies. So it is a very critical thing and is worthy of paying attention to, especially since the small piece of flesh upon which relies the soundness or corruption of the body fluctuates a lot. In fact, this organ, this heart, it fluctuates rapidly. Shaykh Abdullah, the great muhaddith and wali, said that the heart fluctuates more and faster than the eyesight. And it is known that even in 1 hour, the eyesight fluctuates a lot by looking here and there and continuously blinking. Allah the Exalted said in the Quran, وَنُقَلِّبُ أَفْئِدَتَهُمْ وَأَبْصَارَهُمْ, which means we turn and change their hearts and their eyesights. And the Prophet ﷺ said, while speaking about the heart, إِنَّهُ أَسْرَعُ تَقَلُّبًا مِنَ الْقِدْرِ فِي غَلَيَانِهَا. Surely the heart fluctuates faster than water boiling in a pot. And this is why the Prophet ﷺ taught his nation to say, Allahumma ya muqallib al-qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. O Allah, who turns and changes the hearts, keep my heart firm upon your religion. So the Prophet is telling us how quickly the inclinations of the heart change. And the scholar said that your eyes and your ears are 2 channels to your heart. You might have a heavy heart one day, and someone says one short statement to you, and it would open your heart. Or you may see something, and in turn it opens your heart. We know from personal experience that one may be feeling mercy, and then this mercy flips to agitation or anger, and from anger to mercy. The heart is famously referred to as Amirul Jawarih, the leader of the organs. And this is because the intention starts in the heart, and from there it is disseminated to the different parts of the body, and then translates into an action or a speech on the tongue. It is of utmost importance to keep this small piece of flesh sound and safe from sins, so that we can protect our whole body from falling into sins. And Allah knows best.